Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, after some scorching weather over the last few days, we're going to see very comfortable conditions today. Temperatures running about 20 degrees cooler than what we have seen over the last few days, with those highs in the upper 90s. Today we'll see temperatures running in the mid to upper 70s. So a welcome relief here today, and we are going to see some rain showers accompanying this cooler weather as well. Most likely those rain showers will be more so in the afternoon than in the morning hours today. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, winds generally out of a westerly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, becoming more southwesterly in direction as we get up to around 9 to 10,000 feet, and then taking on more of a westerly component at the upper levels around 25,000 feet. Winds generally in the 20 knot range at the low levels, increasing up to around 50 knots as we get up to about 12,000 feet. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have a very slow moving frontal boundary that will be slowly drifting south and east across the Delmarva Peninsula throughout the day today. We have plenty of moisture that is going to be along this frontal boundary, so as you will see here in just a minute on our radar, most of that activity is off to our north and west. And as you can see here on the visible satellite as well, plenty of clouds off to our north and west that will still be dropping across the region today. And looking at the radar, you can see most of that rain activity still off to the central portions of Virginia and into the northern portions of the Delmarva. But that frontal boundary will be pushing southeast, bringing with it those rain showers across the area. No lightning in the area right now. We did see some thunderstorm activity overnight last night, but most of that activity has pushed well off the coast, and really the only lightning in the area this morning throughout the mid-Atlantic region is focused over north central North Carolina and south central Virginia. As we get a little bit more moisture feeding into the region this afternoon, could see some of these showers become heavy enough to produce some embedded thunderstorms as well, but that'll likely be after about 3 p.m. today when we see any chances for lightning to be embedded within those showers. We'll also take a look here at our infrared satellite. You can see some convection off the Florida coast, and it has increased enough to get the classification for tropical depression number 3. It's very poorly organized and really is not going to have very good environmental conditions to strengthen much over what it is right now over the next couple of days. So as you can see here from the National Hurricane Center, as of their latest advisory at 5 a.m., expected to slowly make its way to the north as we go throughout the day today, and then eventually turning a little farther to the northeast, keeping it off the coast. And we are expecting this to completely dissipate by tomorrow, not really making any impacts to the east coast over the next couple of days, except for maybe some higher surf along the southeast and mid-Atlantic coast over the next couple of days, but not expecting direct impacts. As that front moves through later this afternoon, we'll see some rain from that, but no direct impacts from this tropical depression as it meanders off the southeast coast over the course of the next couple of days. I want to take a look here at our forecast model and what we can expect as far as the rainfall goes for the next several hours here. This is currently at 11 o'clock. Moving on into the afternoon, you can see some of those showers and thunderstorms really start to increase in its coverage and intensity over the Delmarva Peninsula by the mid-afternoon hours. This would be at 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can see a pretty good chance of some showers and thunderstorms becoming heavy at times across the region at that point. So definitely looking at the mid to late afternoon hours into the evening for a best chance of some heavier rain showers. Again, maybe even seeing some thunderstorm activity embedded with those heavier rain showers during that time as well. We'll get to the details of that in just a little bit, but as we go throughout the evening hours and into the overnight, you can see those showers push off the coast by about midnight tonight, becoming scattered after midnight. Not really much in the way of coverage for those rain showers after midnight and into the early portions of Wednesday, but still holding the chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms across the region by Wednesday morning, and could even see a pop-up shower of thunderstorm lingering into the afternoon on Wednesday. Not looking at nearly as much of coverage for those showers during the day on Wednesday as what we'll see this afternoon, only running about a 25% chance for your Wednesday. Looking at the long-term forecast, as we go into Wednesday and into Thursday, looking to dry out with high pressure returning to the region. Thursday looking like a very nice day with highs in the mid-80s, and then on into the end of the week and into the weekend as we go into Friday and into Saturday. Not looking at very high chances at all of any kind of precipitation. We'll see those highs in the mid-80s and some pretty good weather on into the weekend with very little chance for precipitation to occur. As we look at the next 24 hours, we're going to see those good rain chances extending into the evening hours tonight, with the chances over 70%, looking to be about 90% for precipitation as we go from now into the end of the day for those rain showers to occur. Again, could see some embedded thunderstorms after 3 o'clock, looking at about a 20% chance after 3 p.m. Then after 5 p.m. we'll increase those chances just a little bit more for some embedded thunderstorms up to around 30%. Could see some heavy rainfall with those showers and thunderstorms after 3 o'clock this afternoon and into the evening hours. And after midnight tonight, those showers become more scattered in nature, and we see those chances decreasing to about 30% later on tonight, and then only about 20% as we go into our Wednesday. So as we look at the next 7 days, 2 days of rain chances here, with the best chance for heavier showers to occur late this afternoon into the evening hours tonight. Then the chance for some isolated pop-up variety type shower and thunderstorms on Wednesday. And then as we go into the end of the week and into the weekend, we're going to see dry weather return to the region. Temperature is pretty comfortable, especially compared to what we saw the end of last week into this weekend, as we are going to see temperatures only in the mid-80s for daytime highs for the end of the work week, and then overnight lows right around 70 degrees. So much closer to normal type conditions for the mid to late portion of July, and some very dry conditions and some sunny conditions as well as we go into the weekend, with those temperatures creeping into the upper 80s, but still fairly comfortable for this time of year. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. Have a nice day.